Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I hope everyone had a good day today. Because I certainly did. Um, because I made some money. As I mentioned this morning, I was watching XLV. XLV. I told them to go to option call because the market was green today. It's a good thing I catch it early, so I was able to make 20% gain. Um, even though people say it's bear market, I'm not trying to downgrade or anything like that. But the thing is, I'm trying to tell you, you gotta know when to buy and sell. Um, you gotta know also how to go around it, so to protect yourself. Um, so basically, this is the stock I was watching. The one I bought today, I bought the one that had a 134 strike price, and I bought it for 20 cents. And when you put 20 and then you got 100, is like $21. Is like $20. And I said for 20%, I said for $24. So basically, I make 20% gain when you time 20, and then you time 20%, you got $4 profit, and then 20 plus 4, that's 24. But I ended up selling for $25. So basically, I was able to make some nice gain, which is good because slowly, you don't have to go crazy and make it like to prove that you're a good earner and stuff like that. But you got to go steady, and then next thing you know, your portfolio gonna grow with you, and then slowly you're gonna build your and then protect your account. um and as you can see also, SP 500, I don't know if you guys will be able to see clearly on my laptop. I was trying to fix the screen, but if you let me know if you guys can see blurry or not. um I'm trying to zoom my computer, but it didn't see anything. So basically, I'm sorry for anyone that is not able to watch it clearly. Let me see. Okay, so anyway, SP 500, as you can tell, it went up to 403, and then now it's go down to 400. So basically, I was able to catch it early. So so let's see which other stock is going on today. The market usually, when it's green like that, the market usually close red. So I usually wait for the opportunity to buy before the market close, because usually people say it's bear market and stuff like that going down, but you gotta know there's something called consolidation. So you gotta pay attention to that. Consolidation is when the market dip. Right now, they're trying to fight inflation and recession, and I know it's gonna go down at one point of the time or the day. But for Friday it was green. Today is it was green, and hopefully tomorrow is gonna be also green. Make sure you plan ahead your win strategy, when to buy in and when to go out. So basically, to protect your portfolio. So that's the best strategy. And the thing I do the best, they say 2-in-1 ratio. For example, if you do 20% gain and then make sure you have 1% loss. For example, if you buy for $20, sell at 24, but if you see the market dipping, you have to sell it for 10%, which is at 18 lowest, $18, which is lowest price to buy and sell. So that's my intake. As you can tell, bitcoin bitcoin also make a dip. Sorry, my computer kind of slow right now. Bitcoin make a nice dip today. So the computer, the network is kind of slow right now. Yeah, as you can see, the Bitcoin is went all the way to almost 30, and then it dropped. So basically, that's you gotta pay attention to that as well, and then to see when to buy and when to sell. And stock are related to Bitcoin or Mara. When Bitcoin go up, Mara goes up. When Bitcoin go down, Mara go down. MARA. And you can see that see, as you can see, Mara is below the VWAP. Since it's below the VWAP, is most likely a lot of people gonna short it. So pay attention to it as well. When you see when you buy stuff, you say it's below the VWAP. So as Bitcoin go down, you can see Mirror as well go down. And also, guys, pay attention also on the news. For example, for inflation going, a lot of people trying to buy Bitcoin. So a lot of people say a lot of people buying Bitcoin is supposed to be go green, but the downfall of that is not that's not really true at all, because that's depend how many option buyers are using. For example, if I'm buying a large amount, for example, if I want to buy it for $10, and the stock right now is at $15, and I want to buy 20,000 share, and then next thing you know, um I'm on the highest buyer in the market right now for 20,000 share for 15, and then right now the market is $15, and I want to buy it at $10. Since there's low not enough volume, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna the market, what the algorithm I'm gonna do, it's gonna slowly decrease it until it reach my price value, which is $10. And that's what happened with Bitcoin and a lot of stock. When you see go up, and as you know it's go down, and then that's why I tell you wait for the market to come to you. So that's one of the reason you gotta pay attention to that, because this happen a lot and people lose money a lot because they think it's going bull all the way. And then the first lesson you gotta know: buy low, sell high. That's the first lesson you gotta know. And then that lesson will protect your account. But you gotta know how low you want to buy. Usually people say this is a dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, and next thing you know the dip get even deeper. So be like, I miss out on the dip, but how come I miss on the dip and then it even go deeper? So that's where the market go crazy sometimes. It's funny to watch it, but that's sometimes how it is. That's how it is sometimes. And you gotta look at it different view to to protect your portfolio. Um, okay, let's go back to biz. The stock I'm watching tonight. There's a lot of momentum stock I'm watching tonight. Um, a lot can happen tonight. So I'm paying attention to it. Hold on, let me look out for something. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to buy something quick before the market close. Okay, so I just buy something. So basically, if you want to know my alert which stock I'm buying and selling, so please reminder go be on my group chat on Discord down the link down below so you can be part of it. So you can protect your portfolio. There's different there's a membership and there's also the for everyone where I post my live stream. When you can have a live stream, I always gonna do that. And but if you want to one-on-one help to trade, I'll be gladly to do so. So we got 26 minutes before the market close. As you can see, a lot of people trying to sell out or get out or try to protect their portfolio before the market. As you see, the red you see is being green for the whole day. So usually I'll wait before the 10 minutes or the 5 minutes before the bell, so you can so I can purchase the amount I want to purchase. Most of the stock I was selling today was moving nicely. For example, COF is a Capone firm. I mentioned earlier this morning and yesterday that is gonna be option call. Is gonna be is have a lot of momentum. It's gonna go up. So at the end of the day, it go up. So basically, it was a nice gain. So I was happy about that. Um, the stock I'm really going to watch right now is UNH. Is a United Health Corp. As you can tell, you went from 484 to 495. Yeah, it went from 484 to 495. And then when you look at it, is usually when the stock go like that, it usually go to 500. So basically, that's a good time to buy it because it's very cheap right now. And I don't know how tomorrow gonna look like. If tomorrow is gonna be green all day, or tomorrow is gonna be the same momentum as today, open red, and then I think the other day is gonna go green. But for now, a lot of people selling or catching out since it went all the way to 495, and I just buy it at 490. So that's a good price to buy it. So to hold for 500, which is gonna be tomorrow or probably tonight. That's depend that's depend how the market react to it. So we're gonna see how the market react. So I just buy my UNH option call. I just buy it right now on my phone. I'm not gonna post it the amount I buy because usually reserved for only people on who's doing the program with me. It was my live stream. Sorry about the noise. Who on Discord with me. And if you don't have a Discord, please it's a good thing to have Discord right now, so you can be able to watch live and then be able to train with me and be able to see my alert and everything. So let me see which other stock. And if you don't have much money and then you have a little money right now, there's other stock like FRO, which is only 859. 859. My intake is that it's gonna go to $6. So before you go to $6, I mean sorry, to $9, my bad. You can there's a lot of strike price. There's strike to $1, and then I will do the strike that's going to $9 on option call again, not option put, option call. The short $9, as you can see, is between $10 and $15. Between 10 and 15. The bid is $10. The ask is $15. If you don't want to pay the $10, you want to be in between, I advise you to buy it for 12 or 11, and the highest 13 is gonna fill quickly. But if you want to really go to extreme, but to $10, sometimes it does with that $10, sometimes it doesn't. But the thing is, you gotta place your order early, and then the highest people that has more, the highest option people put the highest order on the $10, so it's gonna fill first. For example, as you can see, they have 242 option that has to be filled. The 242, if one of them puts 100, that's the highest. The 100 gonna be filled faster, and they have to be filled quicker. And then if you have the lowest gonna fill last, unfortunately. That's how it is, and I don't make the rule, so that's how the rule is. I'm just let you know. So that's why if you do, it's only on Robinhood though, only on Robinhood. But if you do Weibo, your option gonna be filled regardless if you have the highest or the lowest. But in Robinhood, they fill out the highest first on Robinhood. But Weibo, it doesn't matter. Who came first, is go by the time frame. But Robinhood is different. So just give you a heads up if you're planning to buy and sell on Robinhood. And UNH is bounced back to 490. As you can see, he's bounced perfectly to the VWAP. So my computer, my internet exactly, you see, he moved perfectly to the VWAP. The VWAP was at 489.74. He moved perfectly to the VWAP, and now he's gonna another person to move up. As you can see, let me get that read. As you can see, the MACD is about to cross movie uptrend, so basically we're gonna see another run probably to 495 again, or 492, since I bought. And the RSI is very low, is 30, 70 is between 70 20. Right now is at 30, which is perfectly fine. So it's perfectly fine to buy it. I just buy some, and you can see the volume is going nicely. The volume is going nicely, and the volume goes nicely. And you can see once you do the 495, a lot of people saw. Yes, again, I just do option. So basically, I don't do any purchase stock, because the reason why I don't do purchase stock, because the stock I purchase right now is kind of expensive, and I don't like to hold stock where they do option. So it's gonna give me more opportunity to make money. And this is I admire some app like Robinhood and Weibo. They usually have opportunity for you to buy fractional share, so you can take advantage of that. But for me, I don't do that, because again, fractional shares mean fractional money. So by the time you grow a portfolio, you're gonna wait for a while. But if you do option and try to find option that has low value, low price, and you can if you do your researches, you can make a lot of money on it. But if you don't do your research and you go blinded, you're gonna lose a lot of money. That's how it goes. So as you can see, so you see it help to use Missouri. So there's a lot of way you can go to find it. Let's look at the market. The SP 500 is at 400 right now. A DIA 322, which is a good thing. It's moving up. And this is the Weibo app. For anyone asking, that's The thing about I love Weibo, it shows you a lot of sorry, my computer is acting up. So yeah, it gives you a lot of option. For example, you are able to see which stock is moving, which stock is going down, which stock is momentum, how the momentum goes. So that's why I love about Weibo. As you can see on most active, you see SNDA is the most active. They have more volume, 190 million. And you see the top loser, the stock that lose more money. You see the percentages. One loss, what, 82% change, what, 61 dip. Those are the stocks that move today. Those are the stocks that lose money today. And you see the other top gainer, 360%. Damn, that's crazy. Wow, that's a big dip. That's a big bite. 300. Wow. That's nice. That's very nice. Wow, that's very nice. Damn, 300. Let me see what's going on with that stock. ENP. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, it doesn't give me much. Okay, ENPS. I believe it's just, is this a new IPO? It went from 40 cents to 60 cents. That's very good. That's very good. But for me, I don't do penny stock, because a penny stock is take too much volatility and people can short it very easily. So basically that's the reason I don't do penny stock. But if you want to, you're welcome, because usually you can make a lot of money on it, but usually you lose a lot because of the volatility, and you gotta be quick. If you do it, do only day trade, so it's gonna be protect your account more likely. But if you do otherwise, yeah, it's not gonna help you out. That's a guarantee. It's not gonna help you out. So those are the three stocks I'm watching. I'm watching UNH option call, since it just break the since it went to 495. So this is the selling pressure before the market close. So people don't want to hold anything over the market because of the news going on. It's up to you. It's your choice. If you want to hold, you hold. If you don't to hold, that's up to you. But for me, since I see is I buy when it goes. If it's a bullish market, I buy when it's go. You just touch the the VWAP, and then I buy option call. But when it's bearish market, when you see the dip right now, those two dip, I bought when you see the dip right here, or but I will probably buy here. But usually I look at the other indicators like the RSI and the MACD to find out when is the best time to short it, if you want to short it. And then if you don't want to short it, if you want to do option call, is the best time to do so. To short, you buy here when the RSI is at the highest, over 70. You see the RSI is over 70, the RSI is over 70. And then also looking at the MACD is over 70. So those are the two. You can short it here or here. Yeah, the RSI just move over 70. And if you want to buy to make profit, you buy when the MACD just lower. As you can see, the RSI index is low, so you can buy, and it's above the VWAP. When it's above the VWAP, it's time for you to purchase, and then make money on top of it. So the market is going very red right now. People are selling like the last minute. So pay attention also to the news, because we don't know what's Biden gonna say. We don't know how the war between Ukraine and Russia is going on. So pay attention to the news, and look at also the Chinese market. You look at also the Chinese market. The Chinese market is doing very funny business. Um, if you want to do day trade with the Chinese market. But if you want to do a long term, I'll advise you to wait for a better opportunity. If you're bearish, wait for when the market is green, and do option put. But if you're not bearish and then you're optimistic and you believe the market can go green, so I'll advise you to do the opposite. And Weibo, they have an option where people can do people can do a lot of what's it say, a lot of chat on it. So don't pay attention to the chat because the chat can be very depressing, and I don't want you to be very depressed about it because it's happened. So pay attention to that because it can be a lot of impact mentally, and for some people it can be make a big big problem for a lot of people. So I advise you to pay attention to the chat and protect yourself. As always, you gotta protect yourself, protect it. And then sometimes it's okay to take some day off, not to trade every time, to clear your head and then go back. And then when you feel like you can trade, and then you're free to go to do your day trade, and then feel free to do whatever you want. I'm waiting for the bell. It's 10 minutes, almost 10 minutes before the market close. And I love how the market turned out. If you want to find out for inflation, a lot of people want to know how the inflation going, how to watch out for the inflation stock, and how to know when's inflation moving, when it's not moving. My intake is that it's very simple. There's a lot of inflation stock. You can there's a 10 years, there's 20 years. You can look at it. But if you like me, I figured out the 10 years is usually the one that's gonna show you about how the Fed gonna react for the upcoming day. For example, if the Fed want gonna go is gonna if restriction is gonna be very hard, or the restriction is gonna smooth the restriction. So the one I would advise to watch is TNX. Is a 10 years treasury. As you can tell, the lower it goes, the higher the market goes. The higher it goes, the lower the is gonna be bearish. If you want to be green, green is the one that's like you want to do green. When is SP500 is green, that's mean the restriction, the 10 years is very low. But when the restriction is starting up very tight, so the market gonna be green. So basically the 10x gonna go down. So that's one stock you can put in your portfolio to see if you want to know how the market is moving throughout the inflation and restriction. And as you can tell, UNH is moving nicely. I love it. It's a good thing about early. You see, it's nice over the VWAP. It just turned the V turn, boom, and it was at 489, and next thing you know, it's 490. So the next phase is, and the volume also catch up. Also, as you can see, the volume catch up as well. A lot of people sell because they see the VWAP they're going below the VWAP, and boom, a lot of people see the green and they buy back again. So basically, we probably go back to probably 500 or 390 or 495 by tonight or tomorrow. And if everything goes well, but if everything doesn't go well, if there's a major news going on, so probably we're gonna have to see what's gonna happen. But I believe the market gonna be green, since they see for the past few days the market was red, and SP500 was doing bad. So So I would advise you to, there we go, nice. So it's gonna go to 491. So if you want to know which price I buy and sell, again, join me via the Discord. I'll be glad to do so. And remember, I'm also watching FRO is the front line. So as you can see, is 861. If is so I told you to buy the option call for $9, and then it's only 10 cents, 10 cents or $10. See, the bid is $10, the ask price is $15. So you can buy between 12 or 13, and then from there you can hold on for tomorrow. I think tomorrow is gonna be 870, and then if you go to $9, so you make a lot of money. But if it doesn't go to $9, you can always average down, or as well you can sell for a stop loss. Make sure you have your stop loss kicking so you can protect your portfolio, so just in case you don't want to lose money. And the Dow Jones is moving back up. As you can see, is turning right now. It was red and it's turning. Let me see SP500. I look at SP500 as an indicator how's the market going on. So you can see that's the dip you were seeing earlier. Dip, cross over the VWAP, and you can see now it's make a turn, and you can see is going green, and the next thing you know, boom, it's moving up. And then now you see it's going down again. Let me see what happened on the graph. Yeah, so basically same pattern as UNH, but the difference is the RSI is just cross moving downtrend. The RSI moving downtrend is not really a good sign usually. That means that you see the red thing, the red candlestick. But MACD is going strong to trying to, as you can see, the RSI just moved downtrend and the MACD just follow going downtrend. But so once the MACD cross moving uptrend, the RSI will catch up to it, and then you can see her the momentum going even higher. So those are two stock, FRO I'm watching, and UNH. Those are two stock I'm watching. Those two stock that I believe you can go green tomorrow. But again, this is my advice. You can leave it or take it. I'm not a advisory. I'm not give you any. I don't have any license to tell you what to do, what to sell, what not to sell. I don't have any license to tell you to that. But according to my knowledge, I will tell you this is for me what I'm gonna do. And usually they say the thing I said I usually follow. And if I find something that doesn't work, or I find something if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, because the market you cannot go 100% correct. So sometimes you gain some, sometimes you lose some. That's the way it is. If somebody tell you it's gonna go the only way you can make green every day is that if you average. For example, if you buy a stock for $20 and then next day you go drop to 17, you average down. Next thing you know, 15 is average down. Next thing you know, is 12. You average down. Next thing you know, is 13. You average down. Next thing you know, is 10. You average down. And from that $10 to $15, boom, you make profit. The profit you made is not the one when you're starting from, but the profit you made is from everything that you add up. So basically, when people say they green during the week, so that's the way they use it. That's why they tell you only use 10% of your portfolio. If the market go green, you make secure the 10 profit, you add up to the 10%. But if the market go red, you add in the 10%, and then keep going, and next thing you know, boom, you're not losing any money. But that depends how much you have available. For example, if you got $20, you buy yourself for $2. So if you average down, it's gonna be $1. The next average down is gonna be 0. So It's not recommended for any every price, but this depends how volatility also goes, because once that can go to like Luna, it can go to $70 and go to less than $1 in less than 2 days, or sometimes even worse. So pay attention to that. And then when you have only 10%, it's only 10% that your money is lost. If you have more, so basically you have a expectation to do when that money gone. So basically, if it's especially a bill money or rent money or other utility to pay, so basically you're gonna have a lot of trouble. So don't do that. Don't be this guy. So you're gonna regret it, and then you're gonna have depression, stuff like that. So be careful how you spend it, how you invest. So the market is only 1 minute left. The market is about to close. I'm only gonna do that almost every day. So I'm gonna do one on the market open, and I'm gonna do another live stream before the market close. So I'm just gonna try to do it every day. So bear with me. If you don't see the image clearly again, I'm trying to fix it. Let me know if you see it's still blurry or not. But if it's better, let me know. But if it's even worse or it's the same, I gladly advise you to let me know. And again, this was my table match 101, and the market just closed. It's 4 p.m. and I wish you guys enjoy your day, be safe, and remember, guys, pray, because prayer is a good way to start your day. Prayer is a good way to finish your day. And regardless what you do, your plan, if God is not in it, you're not going anywhere, because God's in control. And thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, early tomorrow. I will see you guys early tomorrow to talk about the market. Thank you.